Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: your planner, a pen, and a current calendar. First, set the week view and write the top 3 priorities so you have direction. This prevents busy work. Once done, add recurring blocks for work, sleep, and exercise in 30-60-minute chunks to protect time. Make quick, realistic task estimates and mark fixed appointments. This early action anchors the week and reduces friction, so you can move from planning to doing without delay. Now you translate priorities into scheduled work. Assign each task to a specific day and time block. This turns vague goals into actionable steps. Use color coding for categories: work, personal, errands, urgent, so your eye finds context quickly. Once scheduled, apply a 2-tier system. Mark must-do items for today and flexible tasks for later in the week. Make sure to leave 1-2 buffer slots daily for overruns. These middle steps keep momentum. In the final phase, you review and adjust. Each evening, spend 5 minutes reviewing finished tasks and migrating unfinished ones to new slots. This keeps the planner current and honest. Once done, highlight completions to reinforce progress and move any oversized task into 10-15-minute subtasks so you avoid procrastination. If you hit resistance or a full day derails plans, make sure to reassign priorities rather than abandoning the plan. This troubleshooting step keeps the system resilient and useful long-term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.